Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll tell you how to fix the problem of your iPhone 16e not connecting to mobile internet. So if your phone is having trouble with connecting to the mobile internet or with your SIM card, what you can do is just basically there are a few ways to fix this. The first one is to make sure that the mobile data option is on if you have a SIM card enabled. So just go into the control center by swiping on the right top side of your screen and then expanding this little menu right here and just clicking on mobile data on. And the next thing that you can do is check if you are subscribed to a 5G network or another network and see if your phone supports that network. So for example, if your phone doesn't support 5G and you have bought a 5G packet, then that will not unfortunately work with your phone. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.